Today I got this amazing book from bidii. It's an interactive and talking book. Can you believe it? It's for my little brother.
Hello, kids. To start, find the start button and press it. Learn more. Yellow and green. Guessing game. Find the cucumber. Cucumber. Correct.
It comes with all of these awesome erase markers with tiny erasers on them.
Guessing game. Find the t-shirt. T-shirt. Correct. Which flower has thorns? Rose. You're so smart.
Unlike other books, you can charge this one.
Carrot.
Yeah. Make sure to turn it off.